Question number 4 is about finding the area of triangle ABC. So remember the equation half AB sine CY. So substitute the correct length and angle in, but unluckily cosine is given, so you need to change the cosine to sine. Easier draw the right angle triangle out. So it is a 1, this is 5, and then this one will be 5 square minus 1 square, so it will be square root 24. So the cosine will be square root 24 over 5. Substitute all the result inside. Okay, do some simplification. Square root 6, 10, square root 24 over 5. Okay, some beautiful. And then 6, 24. Remember, 24 is 2 square root 6. Oh, 6 is 12. So the answer is 12. You got it? Let me show you the marking scheme. Remember, the unit is not important. No need to write the units. Okay, they never details marks from you by the units. Okay, got it right? Well done.